Alrighty, we're going to be checking out this AMPROAD jump starter, and I'll link this below. This is something that I got on Amazon. It has instructions here on the side of how to jump start your car. 4 easy instructions, that's pretty good. On the back here it has features, which has a jump starter, a power bank, safety jumper cables, and an LED flashlight. Alright, let's go ahead and open it up. And
it says it can jump a car up to 10 times per full charge.
Oh wow, 10 times, that's pretty good.
Yep, and then it can do automobile, mobile phone charging, camera charging, motorcycle jumping too, and then recreational machines like game pads and stuff charging.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
This is model iRock 40.
iRock 40. Alright, let's open it up and take a peek.
Or I guess it could be LRock 40, either or.
Ooh. That's a really nice looking carrying case. I like that it has a handle, a little wrist strap.
Yeah, nice hard case. Has even customer service number right there if you need it.
Yeah, that's really helpful to have
if you have any issues.
Support number right on the packaging.
Nice hard case. It's not going to get crushed in your car or trunk or wherever you put it.
You could even put that under a car seat and it would probably be okay.
Yep.
So that firm case. Alright.
You got your charging cable.
Here.
Your jumper attachment cable. And then this looks like a cigarette.
Hold on a second. Okay, there we go. We were
cigarette lighter attachment too.
Okay, so that's a D cell.
Yeah. Got your instructions, of course, there. Your manual, I mean.
And it has a nice pocket there.
Yeah, and then it puts a little safety thing here for separating the AMPROAD.
Nice.
You have a nice little protective area here.
How heavy is it?
It's not heavy at all.
Oh wow, yeah, that's really nice and light.
Yeah, and it can jump full charge, jump 10 times for a car. It's pretty nice. Capacity is 88.8 WH. And there's just all the output and everything. Not going to state it all.
Alright, let's see, where's everything at?
So there's just one button on this whole thing. So you use that.
Okay.
To power up, you can see your battery power there when you hit the power button there.
89%.
Yep. And then you have here is where you plug in the jumper cable we just showed you earlier. So you plug that into here. If I had nails, there we go.
There we go, okay.
And then 2 charging ports for like phones, your devices, anything that's USB chargeable.
Perfect. Okay.
And then a flashlight too.
Can you do the flashlight that way?
Hold down the power button to turn on the flashlight.
Do it that way so they can kind of...
And that's solid. You hit the power button again. That changes it to the SOS.
Oh, nice.
And then just flashing for caution for pushing it again. And again, press it again to go with a solid flashlight.
Yeah.
Hold it down to turn off the flashlight. And then on the side here is where you charge it with the input. And then the DC output is where you put the cigarette lighter attachment. And that's as simple as that. I mean, very simple, very compact, easy to throw wherever you want in the vehicle.
Yeah, these are very convenient.
Easy to hook up to the battery in your car.
They feel really sturdy.
And boost it. Yeah.
So yeah, I'm going to feel nice and safe and secure having this in my vehicle. I would highly recommend, if you have a vehicle, have something like this in your car, because you never know, and sometimes there's not someone around to give you a jump.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, this is an excellent item to have in an emergency. So I would recommend it, and it gets a thumbs up from me.